Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Twitter is no longer going to be Twitter. According to Elon Musk, it's going to be X. That's it. That's what's going to happen. Basically, all the bird branding is gone. Twitter as a brand is now an X brand. It's really interesting when you say it that way, because when I think of my exes, they're usually not thought of in a good light. So going with the brand X, okay, is it now an X social network? Now, allegedly, it's going to be the everything platform to everybody and do all the things all the time. Okay, that remains to be seen, but why get rid of Twitter as a brand? Is it a problem that no one recognized it? Like, no one knew what Twitter, no one ever talked about, no one knows what Twitter is. You could say Twitter, and people would be clueless. Journalists have no idea what Twitter is. None of them. The media never covers Twitter, ever, at all. So I guess, now that I think about it, branding this platform that he has purchased to X, just the letter X, which is so easy to search for. There's no possible way you would get mixed results in looking for X content online, as long as you don't look for triple X content. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't know if he owns that domain. It wouldn't surprise me if he goes that direction, but hey, I'm not Elon, and neither are you, most likely. Okay, Elon, this is what you want to do. It's yours. It's not a public square. It's a private platform. I've long said it. I'll be interested in seeing how all this unfolds, but man, I think this is going to go down in history as one of the biggest business blunders ever.